We got Sergeant out here while I'm washing the cars, right? See if we'll fight the rag. Oh, he said no. Good job, buddy. You're such a good little protector. Aren't you a good little protector? He's no fighting rooster. There's Pigeon. What you doing? Look at him. He's got no issue squaring up with me. There's Jigsy. Hi, Jigsy. Oh, Mouse, the little bird inside with the funny hairdo. We changed their name to Bugs, because I like it. It sounds a little better. Looks so cute. I was kind of antagonizing him earlier and I accidentally sprayed him with the hose. Look at his tail though. He's very pretty. Aren't you pretty? You do not care. Jigsy's afraid of everything. I found a piece of lettuce. Congrats, buddy. He's cute. The lettuce are over there now. He does not care how big anything is. Cool, buddy. Yeah, you're cute. Yeah, buddy.